Understanding Rehash the Past in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rehash the past. This phrase is often used in conversations and writing, and understanding it can really help you in comprehending English better. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of rehash the past. Rehash the past means to bring up old issues, events, or arguments that have already been discussed or resolved. The word rehash suggests going over something again, often in a way that is unnecessary or unproductive. This phrase is usually used in a negative context, indicating that revisiting past events might not be helpful in the present situation. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. In conversation. 2. I wish our family meetings didn't always rehash the past. It's time we moved forward. 3. Whenever they argue, they tend to rehash the past, bringing up old grievances. 4. In writing. 5. The articles seem to rehash the past events of the political campaign rather than providing new insights. 6. His novel skillfully avoids rehashing the past and focuses on the character's future. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your understanding. Here are some: dwelling on the past, bringing up old issues, recycling old arguments, living in the past. I hope this video has helped you understand what it means to rehash the past. Remember, while it's important to learn from the past, focusing too much on it can be counterproductive. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.